In our last video, we talked about the background area of the vision and scope template. So what we're going to get into now is the business opportunity. So if you'll recall, the background is what is the problem that we're having. The business opportunity section is what is it that we can do to help solve that problem? What is our business opportunity? So putting it in a positive mind frame instead of saying, what's our business problem? What is our business opportunity? So an example that we have here related to the background statement that we have is develop a single mobile-first website that consolidates our sites to improve the front-end experience for guests and customers, along with improving the back-end site administration for the marketing team. So now if you look at that business opportunity and you look at the background statement, we're addressing in our business opportunity statement each of the areas of concern that were brought up in that background statement. So when we have a good business opportunity statement that does cover the things that we have in the background, it helps us as BAs to understand where is it that they're wanting to go with this project. The business opportunity is really that kind of first view for you of what do they want to do? So the background was what problem are they having, but the business opportunity kind of gives you that first look at what is it that they're hoping to accomplish in fixing this problem. So if you have a good business opportunity statement, it helps you as a BA start thinking about, well, what are the kinds of things that I'm going to need to focus on and that I'm going to have our stakeholders and our project team focus on. So when we look at this statement that says develop a single mobile-first website that consolidates our sites. So just that part of the statement lets you know that, one, the new site has to be mobile first. It has to be developed in a way that it takes into consideration what the user experience is and the view is from a mobile device perspective above a desktop perspective. So our focus is really going to be on people using our website from their phone or from a tablet, more so than from a desktop. It also tells you, of course, that we're going to take those multiple sites that we have and we're going to consolidate them into a single site. It says develop a single mobile-first website that consolidates our sites. So not only are we creating a single one, but we have to take into consideration all of the data and information that is included in our current sites today. Whether we have 3, 4, or 10 sites, doesn't matter. We need to make sure that we're taking into consideration all of those sites and the information that's included in them and finding a way to bring all of that together into one site. So then we say for guests and customers. So we know that there has to be a way for an existing customer to access information and also a way for guests. So that tells me because we're defining both of those, then one of the thoughts I have is, okay, so that means that we probably have to have a way for current customers to be able to log in maybe and view different information than what guests can view. Maybe they can view past orders, who knows, but because they're calling out guests and customers separately, then that means I'm going to ask questions around that to find out if that's what they are hoping to do with that. And then of course it also says improving the back-end site administration for the marketing team. And in our background, it said that they don't really have a tool that meets their needs. So anytime they have to publish updates, it's really cumbersome for them. So you know that based on that background statement and that business opportunity statement, that they're looking for an easy way for them to make updates to the website. So it's not a difficult process every time they want to change content on that website. So that business opportunity statement really tells you a lot as a BA. That's one sentence. That is one sentence, and it tells you quite a bit of information about where you're going to need to focus your efforts as a BA. So you want that business opportunity to be clear, and you want it to address everything that's in the background. If it doesn't, then again, you're going to take the opportunity to go back to the stakeholder that wrote it and help them more clearly define that.